Hello everybody out there in YouTube land, and welcome back to another video from Devoted to Disney Down Under. Today I have a new statue to share with you guys. Sorry we haven't been around for the last month with all this COVID stuff. We've had a few issues in the family, sick family member, back and forth to the hospital. My wife's pregnant. So welcome back after this hiatus, and we're going to have a lot of new content for you guys. We have a few videos lined up, and we're starting to get a little bit of loot back into the house. And today, one of my favorite franchises, Ghostbusters. Yes, everybody, we have a statue from Ghostbusters. Now this is a 1/4 scale from Hollywood Collectibles, and it's of Slimer. We all remember Slimer with his in the hotel with his cart. Well, this is a statue of that. So I'm about to open it and show you guys. Okay, now to cut it open. I think this was originally about $600 statue. So it's quite a large piece. I'm going to have to put it down like this. Might have a little bit of trouble here, guys. I think it's a two-person job. Ah, there we go. It's actually been open, so I can't. Alright guys, here we are. Open this piece. Oh, it looks nice. It looks very, very nice. Okay. Zing have done me wrong here. Look at that. A broken, cracked piece. This was obviously a display piece, because it wasn't taped shut. So I think they've probably known about this and still sent it out. Not happy. Spend a lot of money on these things and you expect it to be perfect. We'll get the table out. There we go. On rubber wheels, I think. That's good. Just got to work out how to put Slimer on there. How does this work? Gotcha. There we go, people. That is the Slimer statue. Now, apart from the crack, which is not Hollywood Collectibles' fault, obviously. I'm going to blame Zing on that one. That's where I purchased it. It's extremely highly detailed. Look at that. This, you can see that is a chicken dinner. Look at the detail in that, the paintwork. It's absolutely beautiful. It's on, I think, rubber or plastic wheels, so it won't mark or get stuck. The Slimer is, oh, you can see a bit of a line here. Now that is Hollywood Collectibles. See the joins? They could have done that a little better, I reckon. It fits on there nicely. You can see how that probably fell out. It's a little bit loose, but it represents what is in the movie perfectly. I'm very happy with it. It's just the crack. Maybe we can, I don't know how we can actually hide that, because I'm not sure whether I'll be able to get another one. You can put it under the thumb. Like that. That is looking good. Not happy with the crack, but I don't think I will go to the trouble of sending it back. You can even see the ice bucket with the, it's beautifully done. It's a lovely piece. Even the texture on the tablecloth, given the texturing, the creases, it looks very organic. Yeah, it's brilliant. There's a rotten little spud, if you remember what they say, what Peter says in the movie. Yeah, but one day I'm gonna do a top 10 movie video with my wife, Kristy. And I guarantee you this movie will be in the top 5. But we're gonna sit down and we're gonna do a top 10 movie video. We might do that while we are under this lockdown situation. It'll give us something to talk about. We'll get comments happening, and we'll talk about our favourite movies. But until then, I want to thank you guys for joining us and sharing the opening of my Hollywood Collectibles Slimer 1/4 scale statue. I'm happy with it, apart from the crack. Anything Hollywood Collectibles does, I'll be looking at from now on. Yeah, feel free to have a look on the website. I'll get my wife to put a link in the description, and then you can look at what they have to offer. But there's some wonderful prop pieces coming up. Some nice alien pieces. I've had a quick look. So please have a look. Thank you for joining me, and happy collecting, and see you next time.